Good morning, Morgan. Good morning to any of Morgan's friends that are joining us for this video. And we're going to continue where we left off in the next video, talking about these various methods that you can use with the dialect object. Okay? And with that, let's go ahead and get started with our reading.
Dialect, line terminator. The string used to terminate lines produced by the writer. It defaults to backslash or \n. Note, the reader is hard-coded to recognize either \r or \n as end of line, and ignores line terminator. This behavior may change in the future. Dialect.quote_char. A one-character string used to quote fields containing special characters, such as the delimiter or quote char, or which contain new line characters. It defaults to double quotes.
Oh man, it's like all this little minutia, man. See, when we used to code, it was a lot more. Used to have to write a lot more code to get stuff done, and that's fine. But man, the higher level you get in the coding, the freaking more you need little teeny things to do to handle simple crap like this. Anyway, enough bitching.
Dialect.quoting. Controls when quotes should be generated by the writer and recognized by the reader. It can take on any of the quote underscore asterisk constants, see section module contents, and defaults to quote underscore minimal.
Blah, blah, blah.
Dialect.skip initial space. When true, spaces immediately following the delimiter are ignored. The default is false. Dialect.strict. When true, raise exception error on bad CSV input. The default is false.
So what, all these methods where they just return true, false, don't you like change something? Can't you? Oh, hey, that's the end of the video. Where did that extra freaking white space come from? All right, so the only thing that I found that was interesting in this whole thing was the line that tells you to start a new row. Okay? And I was hoping it would tell us that you could change that. But let's just reread this again, because what does this thing do?
The string used to terminate lines produced by the writer. It defaults to backslash or \n. Note, the reader is hard-coded to recognize either \r or \n as end of line, and ignores line terminator. This behavior may change in the future.
So what does the method do? Does it change to \s or tab? This is not clear at all, and I don't understand why it's doing that. Anyway, enough of whining. Okay, Princess, we're almost done with this last little bit on the CSV. Apparently all the good stuff was in the front, and this is all boring stuff. Anyway, with that, enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next video. All right? All right. Let's do this.